Alright guys, we're live for the random team drawing for the 2 boxes Bowman Draft Jumbo. Thanks for filling it up real quick. Appreciate it. And best of luck everybody. First thing we're going to do is type live, indicating we're live. Current time, 6:52. We're going to copy and paste the list to random.org. Got Dennis on top. James Rofi on the bottom. Everybody else in between. Best of luck everybody. I'm going to random the teams. Not the teams, the people, and then I'm going to match you up to the list in alphabetical order. And then you guys will have a shot to trade. I go 5 times whenever I do this, so we're going to keep it the same exact way. And here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final time. We got Jared on top, Jared on the bottom. Everybody else in between. We're going to copy and paste. Copy and paste to the list. We got Jared. Jared with the Diamondbacks, Brent with the Braves, Daniel with the Orioles, Dennis with the Red Sox, Tim with the Cubs, Dennis Phillips White Sox, Dennis Reds, Joey Indians, Dennis Rockies, Jared Tigers, Jared Astros, Troy Royals, Dennis Angels, Dennis Dodgers, Troy Marlins, James Rofi Brewers, Jared Twins, Tim Myers Mets, Troy Yankees, Dennis A's, Troy Phillies, Tim Pirates, Dennis Padres, James Giants, Troy Mariners and Cardinals, Bill Sweats with the Rays, Troy Rangers, Dennis Blue Jays, and Jared Nationals. So I'll leave this up here for a little bit longer. I'll print out the list, give you guys a little bit of time to trade. Let me print this list out real quick. So there's your guys' list, guys. Once again, go ahead and make trades if you wish to. Current time is 6:55, and we are done. I will post a picture of the list here shortly for those of you who can't see it on the video. And thanks again, everybody, and best of luck to everybody.